Hey everyone, so we got a new update and that's a new trading player. Thank you so much for dropping a like so other Shiba Inu holders can see this video. Interested in trading Chainlink in Shiba Swap, and I do think this is because of a simple reason. We got a new pair. Firstly, Link is used a lot. Secondly, it's a trusted, secure platform on Certic. But the third thing is that what I saw on a blog is the only thing we know about owner is that he made a lot of profit from trading Chainlink. And in tribute, he added Chainlink. That might be correlated here. Now, I'm not saying it is, but it could very well be. Now, Ryoshi, who is the owner, has been very profitable on the Link. That's what I heard, said, those are the rumors. But use Shiba Swap to trade Link today. Dig liquidity pairs for rewards, birdie for staking rewards. So Shiba Swap is still getting updates, and people are saying, please don't use Shiba Swap, everyone. And Shiba is a bad coin. I just realized now I regret the day I bought Shiba. It keeps dipping, Bitcoin up, Shiba doesn't go anywhere. And people have to wait, yes, we are excited about a burn. Everyone wants to see a burn, but it's not going to happen. I think Shiba Inu's prices will increase from what I saw. But there's a lot of people. Before swap, I saw a bunch of people post, should I swap my Shib for leash? And Shib is going to be used worldwide. So this is a lot of text. I'm just going to recap it for you. Shib is going to be the next big thing. But it's going to take some time because they need to push out the updates. And as we get more updates, Shiba Inu will be worth more. And those who are mad about the prices usually want to sell off as soon as Shiba Inu would be at its highest, which Shiba Inu has a way more potential than it's at its highest. Now, people wonder why Shib isn't doing well since swap, and the number one reason is people selling Shib for a shiny new toy bone, hoping they can wolf a few more bone per week. This is great, but keeps our price down, and Shib is a coin that will get people to put new money in the ecosystem, which is what they want to get the price up. So bone is the main reason why the price is not growing. Now is the right time to get those listing. Getting Coinbase and eToro during the bullish run is ideal and will be huge. And Coinbase listing is more than 1 month overdue. Did we get a reasonable explanation what happened? No, and it seems Coinbase doesn't like revealing much or giving reasons for the delay. But if they change the plan for any reason and won't list us, I don't think they will be quiet about it this long. So Coinbase still definitely planning on it, but we're not sure why it's taking so long. Even if they finally don't expect any miracles, everyone wants to get some Shib so they can do one of the big exchanges. They have it already. Binance, for example, has higher transaction volume than Coinbase and eToro together, but getting listed on more exchanges would lead to a bigger peak. So we're seeing the same thing for Bitcoin, and we're going to be seeing the same thing for Shiba Inu's prices. In October 2020, we saw the same thing happening, and we could be seeing Bitcoin's price growing once again. Altcoins get back most of their gains. Now, Shiba Inu is kind of behind, so it can definitely get to where it was before. A large percentage of the gains in the altcoin market on Monday was given on Tuesday as the euphoria of the Amazon rumors subsided. And the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization now stands at 1.4 trillion. Obviously, this is different because the price is just changing every single day. But some cryptos are still growing, some more, some less. If we check over here, it seems like that Bitcoin mining is back. And when Bitcoin mining is back, that's when we're seeing that massive growth. But sustainably focused and vertically integrated Bitcoin mining company Stronghold Digital Mining has filed for a $100 million initial public offering with the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. So they're working with the SEC now. We're working with U.S. to actually get U.S. Bitcoin mining companies out there. And why is this so important for Shiba Inu? Is that very simply put, when you work with a country, that's the only way for a crypto to grow. Otherwise, they will just straight up ban it. Because let's see, for example, what happened with Ponzi schemes. They started banning Ponzi schemes. And if we don't work with the countries to actually regulate crypto, I don't think we're going to be seeing much growth. But it seems like this is very positive news as they're going in to actually rake up more money to have more miners. But this is really good news. Law professor calls for crypto mining regulation during U.S. Senate hearing. So the U.S. Senate now knows more about crypto. And we can see over here, there's still talks. There's still talks about USA and becoming a crypto state, or like one of them becoming a crypto state. But we can see a lot more happening for US, and the US will probably act as on the activities of miners given their role intermediaries in the multi-billion-dollar crypto ecosystem. So there's a lot of money in crypto. It's not regulated yet, and I do think it will be regulated more in the future. Most of the regulatory talk regarding US miners has been about environmental concerns, with some North American mining firms expressing their commitment to environmentally sustainable operations. But here's the fun part. Okay, we're going to something important. While US might be doing their own type of regulation, which is keeping the Shiba Inu's price down for now, Mastercard chose 7 crypto startups for Star Path Accelerator. Mastercard keeps its focus on the digital asset industry, echoing moves by the main competitor, Visa. So Mastercard is going against Visa for crypto because they know there's a lot of money in crypto. The company announced Tuesday a new startup engagement program as part of a Mastercard Star Path, an accelerator program for fintech startups aiming to support companies working with digital assets, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology. So they have chosen 7 crypto startups for StartPath. So they have basically their own fundings for these new startups, which they're going to be owned by probably Mastercard in some way. The news comes shortly after Mastercard has disclosed plans to renovate its crypto card program to enable traditional banks to offer crypto-enabled cards. Imagine if you go to your bank, they give you a crypto card. Like, that would wreck banks, obviously. No, it would make you a lot of money, because for every transaction you would be using your card with, you would get 1% back in crypto. So, for example, you spend $100 on crypto or anything, basically. You spend $100 on food with a card, then you get €1 back in crypto. And when you get that, you know, that crypto can rise in value. So let's say, for example, you're a big spender, maybe your wife or your kids spend $10,000 per month. And when that happens, you know, you get a lot more back. You get 1% of that back. And that's why we gotta push crypto to the banks, because when the mainstream users can use it, those who do not know a lot about crypto yet, that's when we're going to be seeing the big prices, the big plans. Imagine getting back in Shiba Inu just for spending. In further increasing its push in digital asset, Mastercard echoes the steps of main competitor company Visa. In latest crypto update in early July, Visa said it would continue to support the development of cryptocurrency industry as part of its business, reporting that its crypto-enabled cards processed over $1 billion in total spending in the first half of 2021. So Visa is going hard. You know, there's a lot of new swaps, a lot of new competitors that rose a lot above. They rose as much as Shiba Swap, but it seems like there's a lot of competition in DeFi, but that's a good thing, because now DeFi is growing more than ever. Dino Swap being one of them. Like, that's really exciting to see, you know. They having 380 million here. Binance going on the regulation paths as they promised. They would cut withdrawal limit, rolls out tax reporting tool. So without completing full KYC verification effective in August, existing Binance users will be unable to withdraw more than 0.06 Bitcoin. This is a good thing. Binance is trying to get listed in every single country. Even if they lose a lot of money, if they get listed on every single country, everyone who will want to buy crypto will buy crypto, and they're making a lot of profit. So Zhao also hinted Tuesday that he might be willing to step down as CEO should someone with a strong regulatory background be available. There are no immediate plans to replace me as CEO, but he might step down if there's, you know, someone competent enough. The news comes amid Binance aggressively adopting new trading restriction in apparent effort to respond to the ongoing global regulatory crackdown on the exchange. This week, the exchange delisted margin trading pairs for 3 fiat currencies, including the euro, the Australian dollar, and British pound sterling. Binance future trading platform has also started reducing maximum leverage position from 125 to 20x. So they are taking their tool, and Binance is basically going in for that, trying to go for any regulation possible, and that will increase the prices. But seems like we are preparing Russians for digital currencies and maybe in the future cryptocurrencies. So most people strongly disagree with receiving salary payouts in a state-controlled digital currency of like only 1/10 would get their salaries in digital ruble. in the future, we're going to be seeing a lot more people very confident into crypto. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking the video. Be sure to talk to you next time. Peace, everyone.